Hello guys, how to be here? Welcome back to another video, and today we'll try Bumble. Let's go into the application, and yeah, this is another dating app, and I'll just connect it with the Facebook and hope it will not be private in this time. Yeah, I'll just give the access, and let's go into the application. And from at this point, I actually don't know how much authentic this application is, and I have to set the location service. I will set the location service while using the app. Okay, and if accepting the terms and condition, so the thing is choose a mode to get started. After making all kind of connections, we'll be able to switch modes once we settle up. Well, what did they mean BFF? Making new friends of every stage of your life. Oh my god, that friend is back and import community. Well, just let's say this is best friend forever, right? I think so. BFF means, well, what is it? Well, obviously it is a woman. As I'm a man, I should interest in women, isn't it? Well, what you're trying to find? Well, this is pretty much confusing. Should well, let's go to it. I can't be able to select multiples. I'll just have to give it a simple relationship, and you are for a relationship. Okay, so I'll have to build my profile. Oh my god, not now. Well, the creativity comes here first. What should I do? Making videos. Yeah, as I'm making this one, right? And craft, dancing. Oh my god, photography, writing. Isn't this done? Sports, and actually, is that gym is an sports? And I don't know. Who told them gym is an sports? Well, going out to, let's select as what concert festival. Oh my god, what? I don't know why they're beeping. Well, I reached the threshold like 5, at least 5 max. I can't be able to select more. What is your height? And I mean, this is in centimeters, and I'm confused. How much was it? Let's say this 6. Well, I don't know actually. That's 160. Say that. And do you work out? Sometimes actually, not active workout. And what is your zodiac sign? And zodiac sign comes here Libra. And let's go. And what's your education? Graduate in, yeah, graduate degree. And do drink. What the fucking questions are it? I mean, well, let's be sober. And do smoke? Yeah, I'll have to accept this one. Socially and regularly. I mean, I'm giving the answer of, be honest here. Yeah, would you like what? I mean, well, this is getting confused. I'm in confusion right now. Do you like to have children? On someday, yeah. I mean, do you identify with religion? Well, this seems legit to me. I'm sure. Well, let's say this is moderate, and shut up about, and I got too much from a pro and a con. Oh my god, what are these quotes here? Well, and got too much from, let's see what from, well, what the hell is this? Okay, breaking it, making it. Is that done? Okay, so add more about you. Need a girlfriend, right? That is all about right now. Let's go 20. Oh my god. Okay, so we'll just agree the terms and let's jump into the application. Yeah, it's been long, so let's start swiping. Okay, all sweeping profile left means you aren't interested. Okay, got this, man. This is as usual, and I'm not interested on that. And well, there is a back button. I mean, this is great. And how can I check out the profiles? Oh my goodness. Well, yes, just give the interest. And what is the other photos there? Is this what? Oh my god. Oh, this app seems legit, right? And the thing is, I'll just give it a yes, and then only fuck, give it a no, and I don't know yet. Hold on. I have to undo this time. Well, this one subscription rate. Yeah. The subscription rate is high. I mean, it's not that easy. I mean, yeah, the rate is kinda high. And why I'm thinking this girl is already married. I think so. Holy moly. What? All the matches will appear after 24 hours. That's a long time. But let's just try. And what is the last thing? Is the plus sign? I mean, yeah, still I get it. And oh my god, just keep it here. And weird, this thing is why this is taking too much time to load, I don't know. But she is how old she is. She is 18. Unbelievable. This can't be 18. I mean, she's not looking like 18. But anyway, what? Okay. What's the super means? I have really no idea right now, but we'll take a deep look into it. But right now I'll just swap it back and not getting good pics right now. This one is not that good. The same goes right there. But no way. Well, changing my mind, Tinder is the best. Tinder is a huge variety. I mean, Tinder is actually literally huge. And the pics are here not that good. Well, and let's check out the other features. That's the profile right now, and yeah, I'm 22, right? But I don't know. Well, there are other options like premium and boost, and premium have some interesting things like what do you do with unlimited likes and beeline? Well, let's back to our news feed and what the hell is this? Where is it from? Well, really, man. Just keep this thing and no. Nika is a very common name, and how he is 22 already. Not seems like 22. Cancer, holy fuck. I really hate cancers, right? And not bad. What this thing do? Up to 10x more conversations. Yeah, that's the paid version. And I got some bonuses like I saw 10, right? Why they showing me man? I was interested in woman. Oh my god. Things are huge here. Where are you from? What is this image? What is this? Why? Oh, fuck off. And coming up next is another horrible pics. Earbuds. I mean this. So what? What are these girls? Oh my goodness. Well, what is happening? Oh, if I connect the Instagram, then there will be direct, they will bring all the photos from Instagram to this application. So Bumble is kinda good, and what do you want? He's wearing a hijab and opened a profile in Bumble. yeah, that is pretty much. I mean, this is clueless. I mean, can you explain this photo? Why? I mean, well, not gonna say much about this, but I'll just skip this one. So, and what is next? Not interested, and I think. Well, where is he from? He's not from in my territory, I think. What can go? So he's from Dhaka and Muslim. That's nice. Very nice. No, straight away no. Yeah, we'll just check out the other sections, like who liked you or liked me. I mean, and there is the last one is the message option, and we'll check out later. Yeah, but this application seems pretty handy. I mean, this application seems legit. And what you all are thinking about this, let me know in the comment section also. And yeah, that's all from today, guys. So see you all soon in another Bumble video. Till then, have fun, good luck, and peaceful. What is this? I think this is the last pick from my side. Yeah, things are great right now. Things are huge, and yeah, that's the last pick here.